Welcome to Good Food, recipes you and your guests will love. Today's recipe is turkey burgers. We're going to make a easy and very flavorful turkey burger. So we're going to start by grating our onion. Grating the onion makes the pieces much finer when we mix it into our turkey, and it gives it a good texture as well and lots of flavor. Now we're going to put our ground turkey into a bowl. You want to make sure that there's some fat content in your ground turkey. Now add your onions. Then we'll add our Worcestershire sauce, some salt, mayonnaise. You can use sour cream or full-fat yogurt if you like. And some pepper. These are very simple but tasty. We're going to add some grated garlic. And again, just like with the onion, it just makes it finer and it's more flavorful than powder. And then we're going to mix this up with our hands. Now ground turkey, it's like ground chicken. The consistency is kind of really wet, but don't overmix when you're mixing all the ingredients because that will lead to a tough turkey burger. So once it's all mixed, we're going to divide this into 4 equal portions, and you'll already have a baking sheet or a plate with some parchment paper on it. Get your hands wet. I keep a bowl of water beside while I'm doing this, and just get your hands a little bit damp and form your portions into patties. Place it on the parchment paper. And then these are going to go into the freezer for at least 20 minutes. You can do this the night before, the morning, before you're going to cook them. And putting them in the freezer will just make it a lot easier to handle. Now, to make sure that your burgers don't stick to the grill, just oil your grill really well. And then place your burgers on top. And you can make a little indent in the top of your burgers, which will make all the juices stay inside the burger and not puff up. You'll grill for about 6 minutes per side or until the internal temperature is 165. And then you can add your cheese with about 1 minute left just to melt. And we'll let these sit while we put together our buns. I'm toasting some brioche buns, but you could use whichever buns that you prefer. They can be toasted or untoasted. And then we'll assemble our burgers, and you can add any condiments you like. You could do mayo, ketchup, mustard. Add your toppings, lettuce, more onion if you want, tomatoes, pickles. This is all a personal preference. These are so simple and flavorful and juicy. Everyone will enjoy these. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.